Mosquito Nix, where superior product and impeccable service meet. Mosquito Nix pioneered the mosquito misting system and mosquito control for homes and businesses as it exists today. We are the national leader and do more mosquito control than anyone in the world. Our expertise can't be matched. From Mosquito Nix University graduation to completing your customized installation, our team of licensed professionals guarantees reliable service you can count on. Mosquito Nix is committed through honesty and respect to uphold the highest standards of conduct. We offer 2 distinct solutions and work directly with you in choosing the best option specific to your yard and your needs. At Mosquito Nix, developing the best solution is an art and a science. Design and functionality go hand in hand with our fully automated misting system. Using sleek and innovative hardware, our misting system is discreetly placed along the perimeter of the yard. This one-of-a-kind system saves you time and can easily be controlled from a remote device. And our exclusive 3-step Quick Nix program is the most comprehensive temporary treatment available. It is our best alternative for different budgets and yard use and provides an immediate reduction in mosquitoes by 90% or more. Mosquito Nix uses a biodegradable formula created from botanical sources found within chrysanthemums, geraniums, and other essential oils. These natural properties mean protection for you, your pets, and your family. We stand behind our product and take ownership and accountability in every aspect of what we do. We are committed to our customers and improving every experience by seeking opportunities to provide distinctive service. We've teamed up with local ball fields, playgrounds, and parks to provide complimentary treatments to keep our communities safe. At Mosquito Nix, we fight mosquitoes so you can forget about them. It's time to get back to enjoying your yard. Let Mosquito Nix help you live outside again.